to log in this, we have to enter our date of birth and click enter. We will redirect to the login page, and we have contact details and career details, blog details, business details, and these are the those logical informations. And we can have a technical test cases too. These are the test cases. And I can show you the login test cases details. These are the login test case details, which whether the user ID has been logged in or not. We have to create all those login details, and it will be created by using automation tools with the help of automation tools. These are the test case 1, and I have another test cases 2, login test cases, and these are the browsing test cases. These are the number of cases with browser whisky, and these are the users number of test cases used in phobia, and those are the users those who test cases has passed. And I can show you for whisky details. These are the test cases details for whiskies. And for beer, I have test cases for beer too. These are the test cases details for rum, for vodka, for brandy, for gin. These are the different types of test cases for different brands. And I have another test cases too, which means payment test cases. These are the payment test cases which can able to identify whether the user have paid or not, and they will get a cashbacks by using these payments test cases too. This will help this will be helpful for whether the customers have any queries regarding these payments. And I can show you another test cases too. These are the registered test cases, registered related test cases. Those are the registered test cases. And I have test cases on forgot passwords too. If we have forgot the passwords, then this way the user, if a person A and B, if A has forgotten the test cases, he has to click this, and he have to retype and test cases. This will be the second test cases of which the email to enter the email ID. Those are the test cases, and this will be the ending of test cases. And we have that some about details also: technologies, business, and home page, career, blogs. It will redirect to the blogs, and this will be sign in page. Sign in page, and we have a details for sign in details also. These are the browse test cases, which means sign in test cases. Those are the sign in test cases, and I will show you that sign in test cases. I had signed Okay, and KYC creation worksheet. These are the KYC creation worksheets, whether the user has been created KYC or not. Okay, these are the informations about my project which we have involved in our project. Those are the test cases and which I have shown everything. These are the login details, login criteria. These are the whether the user has been downloaded from the app or website. These are the test case inputs. These are the status of whether passed or failed. These are the consumer details, whether it has been consumed or not. If not found, the consumer detail is not executed, which means he didn't order it properly. If consumer has been displayed, then the customer has been ordered as a correct manner. These are the browsing details, whether he is browsing or not. This is the brand details, which brand is browsing. These are the navigation details, whether from where he is browsing. These are the user ID, whether the customer is providing correct or not. These are these total damages created projects. These are the customer registration details, from where they are registering test cases, where they are installed. These are the email IDs and phone numbers, test cases inputs. These are the payment details, payment gateway, which type of payment, whether the payment is doing with app or login details or with referral code or with GPay or PhonePe. Status of payment,